Hello everybody, it's Shauna. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I would like to share another Bath and Body Works haul with you. I've got some more of the new stuff that's not quite on the shelves yet, but I was able to get some of it and I'd like to share that with you. But first, if you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support and the prayers. I really appreciate that. So without further ado, let's jump in. First, I picked up Bonfire Bash. Got the Fine Fragrance Mist and the body cream. The packaging is pretty cute, right? I like that shade. It's like a coral color. But the body creams retail for $14.50 and the Fine Fragrance Mist retail for $15.50 now. But I did use my 20% off coupon, so cool. It worked out, right? So the scent notes are vanilla bourbon, creamy sandalwood, and cashmere musk. And it says, ready, set, summer. Celebrate the easiest going season with cozy backyard nights under the stars. Okay, I didn't know what this scent was going to be. I just grabbed it. Like I just asked for new stuff and that was it. So I can't wait to smell this. Bourbon, it sounds really interesting, right? Okay. It's like, it's kind of like cologne with sandalwood. And the bourbon like makes it kind of sweet. It's not like liquor smelling though. That's nice. I like that. So that is Bonfire Bash. So excited to try that. And then I picked up Midsummer Dream. Beautiful packaging. I love that. The shoreline, so cute. So the scent notes are salted pear, fresh nectarine, and seaside lily. I'm not sure about this. I've never smelled it, so let's see. Oh, okay. Very fresh. Like the lily to me smells like aquatic floral. So there's like that aquatic floral scent. And then you can smell the pear. Okay. So that's nice. I'm excited to try that one. Now for the two that I'm really, really excited about. First up is Firecracker Pop. And that's really cute packaging. Like for the 4th of July. Red, white, and blue. So cute. So the scent description is red cherry, fresh citrus, and juicy berry. I know I'm going to love this because I love cherry and I love berries. It just sounds wonderful. So yes, and it is. It is. Oh my gosh. What does it smell like? It's like, oh, I know, Hawaiian Punch. This smells like Hawaiian Punch. The original Hawaiian Punch. Not that watered down crap that they sell now. I don't even buy that anymore. Talking when I was a kid and Hawaiian Punch came in the big can. Do you guys remember that? And it was very concentrated. It was more like a juicy juice type of juice. Very concentrated and thick. And that's what this smells like. Oh my gosh. Like a combination of Hawaiian Punch and juicy juice. Yes. I like this one. Yay, 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 yay. And then I picked up Denim Daisies. And I like the packaging for this collection. I really do. And I mean, Denim Daisies, like I would love to smell like that. I imagine that this would smell like fresh cotton and daisies. That's what I imagine. But let me read you the scent notes. Sweet Daisies, Sun-Washed Denim, and Summer Citrus. Okay, they added citrus to it, so let's see. I just love the name. It just sounds so appealing to me. Yes, that is like fresh cotton with daisies, and then the citrus makes it really bright. Oh, yay, I like that one. And I used my coupon that I just got. I used the 20% off. So, yes, I went back today because I live near like 1, 2, 3, 4 Bath and Body Works like near me. So yeah, if one doesn't have what I want, I just go to another one, right? So yeah, I was able to use my 20% off. It was wonderful. And even though it was buy 3 get 2, everything rang at sales price. So that was really nice, right? I know sometimes online, well, it used to do that online. I don't know. I don't think it still does though. But you basically get everything at the sales price, even if you have more than the 2 free, whatever the promotion is, everything still rings at sales price. And that's what happened today, which really helped me out because, yeah, I went ahead and bought everything, even though semi-annual sale is right around the corner, June 14th, and I'm so excited for that. I don't know why I'm excited, okay? I have so much stuff. I don't need one more thing, but I mean, come on. You guys know we're going to be in the store. We're going to be online shopping. You know what I mean? Just because it's a sale. It's like a shark feeding frenzy when there's a sale. We're like, you know what I mean? But yeah, so that's what I have for you for this haul. Please comment and let me know if you've smelled any of these and what you think. And I will be getting reviews up for you guys as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.